Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to be talking about the University of Wisconsin Supplemental Essay Prompt. Wisconsin asks respondents to answer one question in 500 words. The prompt reads, tell us why you decided to apply to the University of Wisconsin-Madison. In addition, please include why you are interested in studying the major or majors you have selected. If you selected undecided, please describe your areas of possible academic interest. You may enter up to 650 words, but 300 to 500 is recommended. This prompt is one of the most expansive versions of a classic why essay. It is going to address why you want to go to the University of Madison, Wisconsin on two levels. Those levels being academic and social. So take a moment to look inside. What exactly do you want out of your college experience? Research opportunities, football games, an opportunity to dip your toe in city life. The only way to know whether your goals and wants line up with those of Wisconsin is for you to do your research. The goal here is to show admissions that you've done your homework. As you dig through the school's website, you're bound to find research programs, extracurricular activities, academic programs, professors that particularly spark your interest. And these are details you're going to want to reference in your answer. You're going to want to include specific information about the academic program that interests you the most and what aspects of that program you're hoping to take advantage of. What do you generally love about your chosen major and minor? And how will Wisconsin's offerings help you expand on your knowledge in those areas? If you're interested in the gender and women's studies program, what will you take away from that program and how does it connect to your long-term ambitions? How will the college's resources help you achieve your goals? You're also going to want to talk about what the university's environment is like and how that's appealing to you. Why is that the kind of learning and social environment you crave? Remember, the more specific you are about the details you include, the more you build a bridge between what you've already done and what you hope to do at the college, the better.